Good morning, Center 2. Today we're going to be continuing with verbs. Now we know what action verbs are. Action verbs are things like draw, hop, jump, read, write, dance, dive, swim. Action verbs are things that we can do. But not all verbs show action. Some verbs show us a state of being. It tells us how the person is, what they are, the state that they're in. So, for example, we have a little girl here. How does she look? She looks like she's feeling sad. How could I put that in a sentence? I could say, the little girl is sad. Right? I could put, the little girl is sad. I could also say, if I'm talking about first person, myself, I am sad. Now, what if I start talking about a few people? Let's say I'm talking about Alyssa, Robert, and Gordon, and I want to use a third person pronoun. I would say they are sad. So these verbs that I'm writing down here are forms of being verbs. The verb be. This is why we have being verbs, because it's something that they are. It's a state of being. She is sad. I am sad. They are sad. So this verb, the verbs is, am, are being verbs. They tell us the state of being. Again, she is sad, I am sad, and they are sad. There are many kinds of being verbs, and I'm going to show you a list of some very common ones. So we have the being verb. We have the being verb is. Oopsie. Put that back really quick. So we have the being verb is. She is sad. We have the being verb am. I am sad. We have the being verb are. They are sad. And then we have other kinds of being verbs here, but these also show us the time. For today, we're going to be looking at is, am, are, and we will also look at was. She was sad. I was sad. They were sad. So is, am, are tells us what's happening now, and then was and were tell us what already happened. They are all states of being. They're being verb. They're telling us the state of being. So I am sad. She is sad. They are sad. I was sad. They were sad. They're no longer sad. So today we're gonna go ahead and complete this little worksheet because we want to identify being verbs that are am, are, is, was, and were. You're going to be looking for these am, are, is, was, were in the worksheet, and you're going to circle them. We're going to be circling the to be verbs, the being verbs. So what you're going to need is your language arts notebook. You do not need to write down the top part of this. You need to write down the instructions. We're going to circle to be verbs in each sentence below. So you're going to write this, circle the to be verb in each sentence below. After you head up, you write that. You can pause the video here. And then you will write down the sentences, and you're going to circle the being verb in each. The being verb. Remember, we're looking for am, are, is, was, were. So for number 1, I was going to give you some food. Do you see any of these words here? I believe we see the word was, so we're going to circle that, right? We're going to circle these being verbs. We're looking for these. So go ahead and pause the video. You're going to write down the sentence and then circle the being verb. I will be moving it up so you can see it, but you can pause it wherever you need. We're going to be doing 10. So complete it, circle the being verb, send it to me, and I will be checking it. Bye.